Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Snapchat. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial step by step. So what we need to do, we'll go and open our Snapchat here. As you can see here, I got the Snapchat application, so I go and open it. And so whenever I open Snapchat, as you can see over here, I have this interface. So what I'm going to do exactly, on this bar on the top bottom, I click on the messages icon, which is on the left side. And so whenever I click on it, here I have all my contacts on Snapchat. So for example, if I like to report this one over here, I click on it and now I choose the name itself, which is up here, right? And now I have these three dots next to the share button. I click on them. In here, I have a lot of options. So the option I'm going to choose, it's manage friendship. The second option over here. Whenever I choose manage friendship, here I have the first option, which is block. The second option, report. So I click on report over here. And this is the reason that says, why would you like to report this account? And so we have the reasons over here. So for example, if I choose the second reason, which is they are spammer, here we can go for more process on the report itself. So we can also choose a major or a minor reason for the report. And this is how you can report an account on Snapchat. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.